Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 4. We have Brandon Jones, number 9, JeldWen Xfinity car. JeldWen car. And on the back you can get other cars from the 2023 Wave 4, like Kyle Busch's number 8 car, Alex Bowman's Night Ally car, Dale Jr.'s Best Pro Shops car, and Zane Smith's 38 truck. Let's get the car out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which is his sponsor, Menards. His first two initials, BJ, and obviously his last name, Jones. A light orange line with a darkish reddish orange line, and obviously with the classic Junior Motorsports number 9. So here we have Brandon Jones's car. So here is his car. So here's the car. So on the hood is a nice blue with the JeldWen car. And here is the side of the car, which is still the classic Menards paint look with the orange and with the light orange and the dark orange. Menards. And of course now he is the number 9 because he used to drive the 33 car and then the 19 car for Joe Gibbs Racing before moving on to the number 9 car. So overall, all the Menards cars are pretty much the same, with usually the same lightish yellow with the 2 orange colored lines. And the hood can be very different depending on the sponsor. Like it can be black or red or even green. A black spoiler. And obviously you can see these other little sponsors, so they usually go on the hood of the car, in which it can be a different color scheme. Kind of like what Kroger does I'll give you a 360 look at the car. And that'll be all for today's episode. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.